All right. So let's get on it. Basically just covering the basics of the pen tool. To drop a point, I have my pen tool selected over here. Left click, creates an anchor point. We can snap it holding shift, going straight across, straight down, 45. Let's go straight across. And let's go down at let's go right here. That snaps it to the middle, and let's go ahead and finish this shape by going back to the original point that we created, and that closes it. Let's hit V to hotkey select the selection tool, so then we can drag that shape anywhere. We can resize it. Holding the shift button keeps it proportioned. If we don't want to do that, we do that as well. Control Z undoes any action that you don't want. Hotkey A is the direct select tool, which allows you to select an anchor point individually. But let's go back to that pen tool. Right click on that, and you notice there's a few sub options. Adding an anchor point allows you to add a point on your shape that you've already created, or path you've already created. Let's go about there. Again, Control Z undoes anything that you don't want there. Let's see. Another option, the anchor point tool. You can select it from up there or hold Shift C. So select a point, holding left click, and drag. That gives you these handles there so that you can turn a sharp edge into a curve. And then let's go back to A, the direct select tool. Select that anchor point. Now we can adjust these handles so we can adjust the curves. Now notice anywhere I drag one side affects the other side asymmetrically. Let's say you don't want to do that. Hold down Alt before you drag the handle, and that allows you, and you just have to do it that first time. After that, then that point is broken. But let's say if you wanted it to go back to where those handles work together, you can come up here, convert selected anchor point to smooth, and that smooths it out. So this shape here, we can adjust the fill color. And the path color. We can adjust the size of the path up here. Going back to direct select, we can select any of those points and delete them just by hitting the delete key. Pen tool. And we can resume editing a path. Just close it off there. And yeah, those are the basics, very, very bare basics of the pen tool. But with that pen tool, you'll be making a lot of different stuff. So that's definitely the most important tool to learn first. All right, guys, hopefully that was helpful. And I look forward to showing you guys some more stuff, and hopefully it doesn't suck. All right.